Let's draw a chocolate bar. First is we will make a rectangular shape. Then we will draw some edges for its cover. Then we will draw some lines for the division of each Choco bar. I'm gonna put these void eyes to make it more look interesting. Time for coloring. Let's color the Choco bar itself a color brown. I'm coloring it edge by edge. This is very simple, just follow what I'm doing. Are you guys doing fine? Just continue coloring and we are almost done. Let's color the packaging a color purple. But you can put any color that you like based on your imagination. Yay, we are almost done. Just doing some finishing touches to make it more look interesting. Yay, we are done! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.